All right, this is how to take down a ceiling fan. So here's a little flange. It's tied into some screws, so you can twist that to drop it off, which exposes the screws here. Then you can twist the top part of the flange, pull that off, and the whole entire light is kind of suspended within this bracket. So if you lift up, you can actually pull it out of that bracket. So first of all, always cut your power. I cut this off at the main breaker, just to make sure I don't electrocute myself. I'm gonna disconnect the wires, undo the ground, and the hot and main. Should have one more connection in there. There we go. Now we're disconnected. Make sure these are all undone. Then I can simply just pull up on the light. Maybe not so simply. Up and out. Oh, got one more connection. We'll get that out in a second. Gotta put my phone down to do it though. All right, we got the fan down from its brackets. And now we can unscrew this hanging bracket. There's a screw here and another one there. And those are tied into the box above. And we'll just unscrew those. There's one, that's a short screw. And there's two. Another shorty. Now we can feed our wires out, and since this was on a double pole switch, one for fan, one for lights, we have an additional wire. So what we're gonna do is cap all of these so we don't electrocute ourselves when we do the ceiling. Then we can turn the power back on, shove these wires back in the box, and we'll be good to go. Actually, I'm gonna switch that out. And there we go.